What's up you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Dee and this is the Optimistic Network. If you're new here, I would love it if you would subscribe and become a member of this family. But if you've been rocking with me, thanks for coming back. Don't forget to turn your notification bell on so you get notified whenever I post a video, and don't forget to get active in the comment box. As you can tell by the title, today's video is about the healthiest snacks that I could find at the Dollar Tree. But I know we all love snacks, and snacks can get a little spendy. Of course I love healthy snacks like carrots, for example. Carrots are great source of vitamin C, but I don't always feel like that. And then there's cucumber, another source of vitamin and a good way to get your water in. But honestly, I'm a human being. I don't always love all these stuffs. I know they're healthy, but sometimes I just want to go deep. And I know you can find other healthy snacks at the stores which are not fruits and vegetable, which are not just boring. Sometimes you want some good ass snacks. Sometimes you want to reward yourself. And don't forget, I'm all about health and good diets and everything, but I also believe in balance. I believe balance is the way of life. I believe balance is the best way of life. Too much of no one thing is good for you, and that's why I kind of don't feel so guilty when I find healthy-ish snacks. And I found some at the dollar store that I want to share with you, because snacks can get really expensive. So I found some at the Dollar Tree that I just wanted to share with you. Some of these I've tried before and love them. Some I've not tried, but I kind of just walked through the dollar store and said, hey, I'm gonna look for the healthiest snacks, because you know, usually with snacks they're either loaded with sugar, salt, all kind of preservatives, especially if they come from the Dollar Tree, because they're all for $1. And nowadays you don't get a lot of bang for that buck. So I kind of wanted to share some, and I'm gonna start with this Bumblebee spicy Thai chili tuna. That's what it is. That's what it looks like. That was at the dollar store. It comes with a spoon and it is for $1. It is 90 calories. It has 8 grams of carbohydrate. It does have like 7 grams of sugar. I don't know why they're putting all the sugar in that. But it has 13 grams of protein. And you know, your tuna is a healthy way to get in your omega-3. So this is a great travel packet. You can throw this in your bag. You can keep this in your car if you usually get hungry. And if you eat this with even some crackers as a meal, like lunch or as a snack or before lunch, you should be good. And they have the regular ones. They have salt and pepper, but I just chose the spicy chili just because I like spice, and you know, it's a little spiff up from just regular tuna, so I chose this. And the whole pouch is for 90 calories. So if you eat this with some crackers, even 5-10 crackers for 100 calories, that's 190 calories is in one meal. So this is a tuna that you can find at the dollar store. I feel like it's healthy. It has a lot of protein in it, and of course you get your omega-3 from your tuna. So that is one. At the dollar store you can find these single servings of nuts. You can find almond nuts, all kind of nuts, peanuts, almond nuts, pistachio nuts. However, keep in mind that you need to watch your sodium intake. So these may be a little high in sodium. So if you can find the one that has no salt, that would be great for you. But the one I chose is the sweet chili, and I think I've had this before. It's kind of sweety and a little spicy, I think. But if you prefer regular, I noticed they had like sea salt. If you prefer regular or sea salt, you could go with that. This bag of pistachio nuts is only 100 calories, and nuts are great for you, great source of protein, and they're really filling. If you eat this as a snack and just drink some water, this should hold you over until your next meal. Keep in mind, it's gluten-free, so this is one snack that's healthy that you can find at the dollar store for $1. If you buy this at the gas station or somewhere else, it may run up to $2.50, but the dollar store, $1. I also found this dry roasted edamame, if that's how you say it. It's kind of like a bean that you would cook like if you like rice and beans, and it's vegan, it's 0% trans fat, it's gluten free, and it's cholesterol free, and it's non-GMO. This is another snack that is at the dollar store for only $1, and it has a little sea salt. It said lightly dusted with sea salt, so it does have a little salt. So again, watch your salt intake. But if you're looking for a snack and you like these beans, a great source of protein, fiber, and it's great as a snack. If you eat this and drink some water before any meal, this should hold you over. You can use it as a snack, you can use it as topping, you can add it to your salad, whatever you want. But I feel like this is a great snack, and it's only $1, and it's a good enough bag. It's 3.5 ounces, so that's a good enough bag. It has 3.5 servings, basically an ounce per serving. So this is a good enough bag of snack that you could eat 3 times. You could eat this 3 days or 3 times in a day as a snack and feel full to hold you over, and it's just $1. As I talk about nuts, I believe nuts are the best way to get your protein in my opinion. Apart from fish and chicken and all that, nuts is an easy way to get your protein in. And you know what, nuts are really filling. So if you can just have some nuts for lunch with some water or your favorite drink, and then you don't even have to worry about. These are just whole almond, regular whole almond. There's nothing in it but almond. They're salt free. It's 2 servings per pack, and it's 170 calories per serving. So your nuts, your almond nuts, are a great way again to get your snacks in. And at the dollar store, the Dollar Tree, it's only $1. I just want to share the good news with you guys, because I know a lot of us, we go to the gas station, we go at Walmart, we go to Walmart and we buy all these things so expensive and think that's the best way. But sometimes just grab a couple at the dollar store, keep them in your car, keep them in your purse, and you're good to go. The thing for kind of snacking at home, it's skinny popcorn. I know Walmart have these because I've seen them at Walmart, not in this size. I've seen the bigger sizes at Walmart, but I love like a white cheddar. That's my favorite topping to put over any popcorn or anything, white cheddar. So the dollar store had this for $1. Of course, it's skinny popcorn, and this is white cheddar. I know they have sea salt, I know they have sweet and salty, because I did get a sweet and salty, but I ate that last night while I was watching a movie because a girl was feeling snacky. But these are 150 calorie per serving, and you can have the whole packet as a serving. And like I said, if you like white cheddar, if you like sweet and salty, which is like kettle, you'll love that. Or you can just get just the regular with a little sea salt. They have different flavors. So again, this is a good way of snack, just $1. You don't have to buy the whole pack for like $4 or so. Could be more expensive some other places. $1, and you have your snack. And the good thing about these, you don't even have to worry about overeating. When you buy these single serving packs, you just eat it and you know you just had 150 calories in your snack and you're done eating, and that's it. Another thing which is probably my favorite, I've just found this Saturday. I took my mom to the dollar store. Actually, my mom put me onto the Dollar Tree, because I usually go to the Dollar Tree, but probably for just little things like envelope. But then my mom put me on with a snack when, you know, I walk with her down the snack aisles and I look at things. And the other day I found this, and this is called purple sweet potato with rosemary and herb. And this, it's gluten-free, and it's 3.5 ounces, and this is a big bag. This is a very big bag for just $1. It is 3.5 servings, and it's 140 calories per serving. But these are the bomb. These are really good. If you love rosemary, try these. I've never seen these anywhere else but the dollar store, and I just found them this past Saturday, like I said. But if you love rosemary, try these. And when you start this pack, tell me, you cannot put this pack down. I've had like 3 to 4 packs of these since Saturday, which is terrible for me, for my diet that I'm trying to maintain. But I'm telling you, once you have these in moderation, these are good for you. It's called Welana chips. I'm telling you, purple sweet potato, rosemary and herb. It is the business. I love this. This is my new favorite snack, and it's gluten-free. What else can you ask for? Just in moderation and you'll be good to go. Another thing that I found at the dollar store that I really haven't tried, it's called Brothers All Natural Banana Fruit Chips. It's a light and crispy sliced fruit. I don't know if these are ripe or they're green, but I know back home we love green banana or green plantain chips. So I haven't tasted these as yet, but it's 70 calories and you can have the whole bag. As a matter of fact, let's taste this now. Basically just dehydrated bananas, and they're ripe, so they're a little sweetie, and it does say it have a total of 11 grams of sugar, which is not so good, but it is just ripe banana. I don't think they added anything It's a fat-free food, a gluten-free food, peanut-free, nut-free, soy-free, dairy-free, non-GMO. So this is vegan, and every vegan sisters and brothers out there, this is a great snack from the dollar store. It's pretty good. It just tastes like dehydrated ripe banana. It's crispy. It said freeze dry. It is crispy. It's non-GMO. It's a really good $1 snack. I'm from an island, I'm from Jamaica, where coconut is a big thing. Coconut played a major ingredient in most of the meals that we've ever made. But when I came to America, people like over exaggerate on coconut. Like, coconut is good, but they'll put coconut in everything to make it sell, and people go crazy over it. This said coconut. It's just basically organic coconut chips. Again, good for all my vegans friends. And I've never tried this. I've tried a coconut chips from the Dollar Tree, so let's try this. Oh, it is coconut chips with chia seed, which is good for performance, as I told you guys before. Sunflower seed, pumpkin seed are great sources of protein. Coconut chips, really good. It's a little sweet. I'm pretty sure they probably added a little sugar. It's really good. It's not that sweet, and it says mildly addictive snack because it's that good. It's really good. It is 270 calories. And the serving size is the whole. Keep in mind that you're getting your protein, you're getting your fibers, you're getting your carbs from this. So, yeah. Chia seed is very expensive. I buy a bottle of chia seed for like $8. Chia seed is very expensive, so you get some chia, and it's really good for you. So if you get some chia seed in something like that for $1, yeah. Let's touch on a drink. This is the spicy ginger beer, and it says craft soda. And I started drinking this because I'm from Jamaica. I'm used to ginger beer back home. Ginger beer is really good. If your belly ache or your stomach don't feel so good, they'll tell you drink some ginger beer. So when I saw this in the dollar store, I was spooked. I was like, whoa, 100% real ginger beer, and it said it's real sugar, so it's not diet or anything. So if you're watching your sugar intake, this is real sugar. But again, you know that real sugar is better than fake sugar. You're better off just having a spoon of real sugar than fake sugar. So this ginger beer is really good if you're looking for drinks. This is just good and refreshing. I'm not a soda drinker so much, but I drink this every now and then if I feel thirsty and I don't feel like water. I love this ginger beer. So try this ginger beer. It's only $1 at the dollar store, and it's really refreshing when it's cool. So we all have guilty pleasure. What's your guilty pleasure? Well, most of us guilty pleasures are what? Ta-da! Ice cream. Okay, and this is the Almond Nuts ice cream, and it came from the dollar store. Yes, it came from the dollar store. 3.6 fluid ounce, and this one is strawberry. It has 220 calories. But the good thing I like about this, it's a single serving, so you can just take this up and sit down and enjoy your one serving of ice cream instead of going to Walmart and you buy the big one. Them bigger size in Walmart, so you go to Walmart or your grocery store, you buy the bigger one for $5, and you sit down and you start to eat a little, and then you end up eating the whole thing. I just prefer to just get this at the dollar store. $1, one serving. So if you want a few, if you just want one, you just have your one serving of ice cream and you're good to go. At the dollar store, I found this Almond Nuts ice cream. Real good brand ice cream, real good quality ice cream. The last but not the least, actually it's probably my favorite because I live in South Dakota where they don't know much about the Caribbean. So Jamaican food for me is really hard to find, and I found patty in the dollar store. The golden crust patty I found in the dollar store. This is the only place I've ever seen golden crust patties. They have the Jamaican style jerk chicken patties, and they have the chicken patties. They also have beef. I only have 2 right now, but these are $1 in the dollar store. So if you're a Jamaican, or if you've ever wanted to try Jamaican patties, it's not exactly the same taste, but it's close. It's like 90% close to the taste. And for me, this does it when I really just can't get any patty. All the time I get real Jamaican patties when I go to Jamaica and I bring back patties. So this really help. If you can't find real Jamaican patty, you can just heat this up. Sometimes I put a slice of cheese in it to make cheese patty. Sometimes I put some tomato in it to make a veggie patty. Heat this up to make patty, and this will suit your taste bud until you can get the real Jamaican patties. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video.